This is Pam. I had to drive Pam at Willie Field in Antarctica, 1972 to 73. I was winter fly-in. I opened the bases up for Willie Field, all the buildings, all the equipment ready. You can see the Antarctic map right there, and our mascot to the left of it, a penguin. Some mighty big tracks. They're called low ground pressure. So when you run over the ice, it spreads the weight out so you don't go through the ice. That's the back window. I looked out the back and I watched the crevasse open up below us. And Pam got us safely through that. That cable right there, we used to tie anchors, chains, and smooth out the fields, the airfields, so the planes could land with no bumps. We do it for days. Pam's got a few missing tracks, and right up there is where the pony motor is. And a pony motor, what it is you start it up, a small motor, and then it starts the main engine up. There's levers right there you can see right in the very bottom of the track. Did I ever think I'd be that cold? I'm from California, dude. I never thought it'd be that cold. It was cold in Antarctica. The more I look at it, the more I realize how giant it was. One time when a big storm came in, I was out plowing something, and I had to stop, put the blade down, make sure all the windows were closed, and I sat there for 2 hours while Pam took care of me, kept me warm. Thanks, Pam. Kind of hard to see how big the cab is, but it was pretty big. Kept us warm. Here's the big old blade. Long may you run, Pam. I can still hear that exhaust pipe clacking.